Hi, this is Lynn. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Wildlands Rediviva. We processed some milkweed. We harvested it and vacuumed it out of the pods and then separated the silk from the seed and cleaned it. I sell the milkweed silk in my Etsy store, and we sell the seeds to a seed company for regenerative programs for people who care about the monarch butterfly and want to bring it back. We're very careful when we get the mass out of the pods as to not disturb any butterflies. Typically they're all gone by the time we harvest the seed, and if we see any, we typically leave it alone if we see any butterflies in crystallis. But generally, I mean, the monarch butterflies are getting so rare that they're not existent. Back in the day, they used the milkweed. They thought the plant, they killed it like it was a weed, not caring about the monarch butterflies or the things that the milkweed was used to sustain the environment. So it's that put the monarch butterfly in decline. So some people are in the process of trying to bring the milkweed back and not, like older generations, not see it like a weed like they did in my mom's time or grandparents' time. So this is our video on what we do, the processing, and how we go through it all. Have a great day. watching our video. I have milkweed silk for sale in my Etsy store. So if you want a vegan down, something that's not plastic, and something that is vegetarian, not from a bird like down is, you can purchase a pillow from my Etsy store. Please like and subscribe. We would love to have 15 subscribers. And I'm improving every time I'm trying to improve every time I make a video. So if I've improved 1%, please like the video so I have some type of measurement that I'm making progress and learning these editing skills and video photography. Have a great day.